How to stop syncing profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application here, and it will lead you to your home area. Now on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. Tap on your profile on the bottom right, and here go to settings by clicking on the burger icon here and go to settings. Now the next thing that you want to do is to tap on account here, and you will see a lot of options here, but I want you to look for the sharing to other accounts here, sharing to other account here. After tapping on Facebook here, tap profiles. Let's just go back here, tap profiles here, and tap on your Facebook, and it will look like this. Now after tapping on that, I want you to tap on your Facebook again on the bottom part here, and as you can see, I have toggled off the sync profile info. So since you want to stop syncing it, it might be actually in syncing mode. So to be able to stop it from syncing, then go here to Facebook and tap on, just toggle that off and stop syncing. And basically that is how you stop syncing profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.